We go back to an earlier story. There's an intensified push to rid schools of violence. At least one school is playing its part, forging a closer relationship with the police. Antonia Atkinson explains.
As school violence intensifies across the region, some high schools are ramping up efforts to break the cycle and promote a brighter future. School leaders from Sprat Valley High recently launched a police youth club. Speaking at the event, acting director of the Safety and Security in Schools unit at the Ministry of Education and Youth, Richard Troop, said the initiative should be implemented in all schools.
Because when we have school resource officers and the community safety and security branch working with our schools, we are building trust between young people and our law enforcement officers, especially our boys. We are opening opportunities for them to see law enforcement agent organizations as a career path to be pursued. Not because they struggle to find a job, but they see the police force as a beacon of hope for them and their families.
The inform of a dead culture has informed the negative way in which some young people relate to the police, and so Mr. Troop also highlighted the need for students not to be afraid of law enforcement officers.
The Sprat Valley Police Youth Club students will provide some important things for you: structure, exposure, opportunity to know other people and other places outside of your natural environment. Do not squander that opportunity.
For her part, Assistant Commissioner of Police in charge of the Community Safety and Security Branch, Charmaine Shand, added that more schools will be seeing such initiatives in the coming weeks.
It marks the beginning of a partnership, one built on trust, mentorship, discipline, leadership, and hope for a brighter future. So this is the second such launch that we are having in schools, and we have many more to come. I'll be in St. James next week, Glendevon, Salt Spring. I'll be living in St. James for a while.
Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.